Hello tourists, the most lovely, bubbly, and lively tour guide is here. I am Princess Bea D. Gregorio, but you can call me Bea, and I'll be your tour guide for today. By the way, Sir Ayan over here, our coach captain for today, that will give us the SSS ride, which stands for Safe, Secure, and Smooth Ride. Say hi to Sir Ayan. Say hello to Sir Ayan. Alright, but before I begin the tour, please be reminded of all the safety protocols. Just remember the word case. C for carriers that carries everything that we need, such as first aid kit, toiletries, and alcohol for everyone's safety. Also, we have A, which stands for attention, for you to understand that if you hear me whistle once and waving my green flag like this, it means that you still have 10 minutes to roam around and take some pictures. But if you hear me whistle twice and waving my red flag like this, it means that your time is up and we need to go back to our bus again. Also remember that our bus color is red with a plate number of number 3. Again, bus color red with a plate number of 3. As for S, synchronize your time to my time so that no one will left behind. Time check, it's already 9:30 a.m. And before I forgot the last letter A, which stands for enjoy, take nothing but pictures, and leave nothing but footprints. Now, let me do the head count first, starting with you, mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Alright, we're all complete. And now, are you all excited for this tour? Now, let me welcome you to the beautiful country of Morocco. First destination is the Marrakesh Medina and Gemma Alfana. As you step into the heart of Marrakesh, you feel the energy of Gemma Alfana, alive with the storytellers, musicians, and music vendors. This historic square is the soul of the city and the perfect introduction of Moroccan culture. Okay, tourists, you have 10 minutes to roam around and take some pictures. Our second destination is the Faisal Valley. Here in Fez, we wander through one of the world's oldest and largest medieval medinas. The maze-like streets, traditional tanneries, and ancient school tell the stories of Morocco's deep, scholarly, and spiritual roots. Okay, tourists, you still have 10 minutes to roam around and take some pictures. Tourists, time's up. It's time to go back to our bus again. For our third destination is the Chef Chaouen. Welcome to Chef Chaouen, or what they call the Blue City, where nearly every street is painted in calming shade of blue. Surrounded by mountains, this charming town offers a peaceful escape and stunning photo at every turn. Okay, tourists, you have 10 minutes to roam around and take some pictures. Okay, tourists, time is up. It's time to go back to our bus again. Fourth destination is the Sahara Desert. Ahead of us lies the majestic Sahara Desert with its endless golden dawns. We'll experience camel rides, unforgettable sunsets, and camps. Okay, tourists, you still have 10 minutes to roam around and take some pictures. Okay, tourists, time's up. It's time to go back to our bus again. Our journey ends at the impressive Hassan II Mosque. Standing proudly over the Atlantic Ocean, its soaring minaret and detailed craftsmanship reflect the beauty and devotion of Moroccan architecture. Okay, tourists, you still have 10 minutes to roam around and take some pictures. Okay, tourists, time is up. It's time to go back to our bus again. Third time exploring Morocco's golden medinas, and stunning landscape comes to an end. I want to say how much joy your company has brought to me, dear tourists. Again, I am Princess Bea Di Gregorio, your tour guide, officially signing off.